Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Steven from Simple Tech. So today I'm going to teach you on how you can find out your IP address to your router and your computer. So to get started, go to the search bar on your Windows machine and type CMD and hit open. Then on the command prompt, type the following. This is IPCONFIG and hit enter. And now you will get so many lines of code. So we'll be only interested with two of them. This is IPv4 address. This is your computer IP address. And this one, the default gateway, for example, mine is 192.168.0.1. So this is my router IP address. So to copy this, just highlight and then right click, then go to your favorite browser and paste. So in this case, you will be directed to your router's front page. So maybe you can be prompted to enter your logins, username and password. So you can also do the internet settings and control who can access your Wi-Fi, also the bandwidth and many other settings. So I hope this simple tutorial have helped you. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and until next time, goodbye.